Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Charitable Donor Advised Fund. Alright, if you guys have been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Charitable Donor Advised Fund, this video is definitely going to help you out. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in online on the website, or you could choose to do that through the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you're going to select charitable giving. Now here you're going to initiate the donor advised fund setup process. You're going to need to provide the required information here. Of course, that's going to include charitable goals and such. And then once you're done with that, just choose the investment options. And then you're going to need to confirm the donor advised fund details. Make sure you go over the details and make sure everything is accurate, and submit that. And from here on out, you can just monitor the donor advised funds activities right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Charitable Donor Advised Fund. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next